Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Certified pre-owned. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, rear view camera, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2018 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.